Hi guys, hey, let me show you a couple things I got growing in the garden. Here is the sweet potato bed, Beauregard sweet potatoes that I grew from my slips, from my sweet potatoes that I harvested last year, and they're doing wonderfully. Fantastic. My wife got me this sign. I love it. Papa's Garden. Got a little spider in there. Look out. Next to that, we have the pepper bed. The peppers are doing really good this year. Not quite as good as last year, but we've got plenty of peppers. Banana peppers. A ton of them. Really happy about the bell peppers this year. Here are some California red. Starting to turn. Lots of those coming. I've got 21 pepper plants in here. This is a 3x8 bed. Got some Jimmy Nardello. They're starting to turn. Lots of those. And then we've got poblano. Love me some poblano. I'm real happy with the pepper production this year. Very nice. In the bed next to the peppers, I have cucumbers, pickling cucumbers. They have produced so many cucumbers for us this year. They're starting to fizzle out, but I've got some nice cucumbers on here yet that I've got to get to before I pull this out of here. There's a nice one. We got some down here. Just beautiful. Beautiful cucumbers this year. And on the other side, again, this is a 3x8 bed. The other side, I planted my jalapenos. I've got 6 jalapenos here, the hot ones, and up here we have 6 nada-penos, the jalapenos without the heat. My wife is not a real big fan of heat, of spice, burning of the mouth, so I grew these 4. Check this out though. Something attacked one of them. I believe it was a hornworm. Took off all the leaves, ate a lot of the peppers, but it's not dead, and I can't find that worm anywhere. It's been about 3 days now, and there's no other damage. So hopefully a bird had a nice little treat. And next to the pepper bed, we have the tomato bed, and I've got 6 cherry tomatoes growing up these single stemming them up this these 8-foot stakes, and they're up to the top. There we go. Got some really nice cherry tomatoes going on here. Plenty of cherry tomatoes for the grandkids and myself. Look at that. Beautiful. Right next to it, I've got a couple of beefsteak tomatoes. Don't mind the weeding. It's gotten away from me this year. But we're getting some real nice size beefsteak tomatoes. Nice. I also put some straw bales at the end of each bed this year, and they're doing quite well. Perhaps I'll do a video on that coming up here in the near future. Well, thanks for joining me here in the garden today, but I got to wrap it up because I got to get this here pool clean before my wife gets home, or it's going to be in my butt. God bless everybody.